students, welcome everybody who is watching this class of mine. I am Tapan Kumar Vishwas, Assistant Headmaster of Kalshira Rajendra Secondary School, Chitulmari, Baghat. First, I would like to thank our Honorable Prime Minister for taking initiatives of this online class to make up the losses of the students due to Corona. Okay, dear students, I have brought you a new English class for the students of class 8. I will take a class on English first paper, Unit 3, Lesson 5, and the name of the topic is a letter. You know, the students, here we have learned that Robi's father died on a disease, fatal disease due to cancer, and today in this lesson we have got a letter from Robi to Sohel, and our discussion will be based on this letter. Okay, let's start. Okay, dear students, open at page 26 of your English first paper, and here we have got some keywords. I'll read the keywords and tell the meanings of the words. First, nicotine. Nicotine means a toxic substance. Tragedy means, next one, tragedy. Tragedy means a sad event, very sad event. Broke means break. Broke is the past form of break. And puff means puff means in Bangla চুম, দ্যাট মিন্স আমরা সিগারেট দেখি, একটা টান দেওয়াকে ইংলিশে বলা হয় পাফ অফ এ সিগারেট। ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, আই রিড দ্য লেটার ফার্স্ট। হোয়াট and I'll know what happened to Zohir Ali. I'm reading out the letter for you. 10 by E. Purana Palton, Dhaka, 1000, 9 June 2013. Dear Sohel, the receiver of the letter. Dear Sohel, I am sorry I could not reply to your earlier letter. This is because last week there was a tragedy in our family. My father died of lung cancer. He used to smoke heavily. He got the bad habit from his college days. Recently, my mother and I were very worried about father's worsening health condition. He was having continuous chest pain. The doctor showed him his chest X-ray plates. There were dark marks on his lungs. The doctor explained to him that the marks were the signs of lung cancer. He also explained that a poisonous substance called nicotine is in tobacco leaves, and cigarettes are made from tobacco leaves. When a person smokes cigarettes, this nicotine enters into his lungs with every puff. If anybody smokes cigarettes for years, these deadly nicotines causes lung cancer. Both mother and I tried to stop father from smoking. He never listened to our requests and warnings. He died an untimely death. Let me tell you the truth. My father's death is a great shock for us. You know, We are a big family of 7. My father was the only earning member in the family. We are now broke, and I don't know how are we going to survive. Anyway, God is merciful, and we are trying to recover from the shock. Write me when you have the time. Give my regards to your parents. Love, Robbie. Okay, dear students, I finished reading. Now, I'll move on to activity B. Here, we have to take the best answers. Question number 1. My father's death is a great tragedy. Here, tragedy is underlined. The underlined word means I have chosen for you the best answer here. A very sad event. It is the correct answer here. Question number 2. Robbie's family is now completely broke because they have now no source of income, because they have now only his father was only only member of incoming, as he is there, there is no source of income in the family. Now I will move on to activity C. Answer the questions. First say, then write. You will first say the question, and then you will write the answer. Here, the first question is, what could be the relationship between the sender and the receiver of the letter? Here, possible answer is written by me here. I think they were friends. That means there were friendship between them. Question number 2. What causes lung cancer? Answer is smoking causes lung cancer. The next one. Who do you think are the members of Robbie's family? What do you think? So here are two questions at a time. I have written here the answers in a sentence. There are 7 members in Robbie's family. I think they are Robbie's parents, Robbie and his little brother, his uncle and aunt, and a cousin. Okay, dear students. Now I'll move on to next question. Imagine yourself. Imagine yourself. Now write a reply to Robbie's letter. We will have to write a letter to Sohail. Sorry, to Robbie here. Dear students, I have written a short letter for you. In very short, I have written a letter for you. I am reading the letter here. Dear Robbie, I know that you are greatly shocked as your father is no more. This news came to me as a bolt from the blue. I have lost my language to condole you. Dear friend, you know that no man is immortal. Your father left the world forever, making us sad. Don't worry. May his soul be rest in peace. Your mother is still alive. Love her and forget the past. Please pray to God, Allah, and He will help you to overcome this loss. No more today. Tender my best compliments to your superiors and affection to little ones. Your saver, Sohail. Here is the envelope for you, and in this version you will have to write to whom or her you are writing the letter, and here is your name and address. And now, dear students, we have come to the end of the class. Before leaving, I would like to suggest you that you must stay home to stay safe. Okay, dear students. Bye bye.